Alright guys, so today I'll show you how to get Treasure Nadia on iOS and Android completely free. So as you can see, this is the full game. So let's get straight into the video because a lot of people do not know how to get it, especially on iPhone. So go to zoomods.com and type in Treasure of Nadia. And as you can see, we see Treasure Nadia mod. We press on it and it starts to download. Now, before it downloads, we will have to do a verification where we have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. These are free apps from the App Store, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for these to download here, as you will see in a second. All right, so I don't really know what to tell you, but here we go. So it's now going to say, please install 2 free apps. There's going to be around 4 apps on this page. You just have to download 2 of them and make sure you read the instructions. Now, bear in mind, guys, a lot of people do not read the instructions. They just download 2 of the apps and they run them, I guess, but they don't read that there are certain requirements. Like I did this one, Family Island. I had to reach level 10 on it. So that's like a big thing. Like if you don't do that, you're screwed. Like you cannot download it and do nothing on it. You have to read the instructions. So do 2 of those and then Treasure Nadia should download onto your device. The apps will vary depending on where you live. So if you're in a different country, they're probably not going to be the same as the ones that I have because I'm in the USA. So they got and they do change as well. So even if you're in the USA, you might see different apps, and that's totally fine. I think if you're on Android, you're going to see different apps as well. Just make sure you complete the verification, and you should get the Treasure Nadia installed onto your phone. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe and peace out.